guys, welcome back. In today's episode, as usual, we'll be looking at Ethereum and BTC price actions, and we'll be covering bull and bear scenarios for each of them. Before I start, I would like to remind you, if you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure press the bell notification to get an instant updates. Ethereum under 30-minute time frame. Once we broke 1240, as you can see, 50 level of this golden zone, we were around here consolidating a bit under a lower time frame. Once we broke successfully, we came retested and we went up all the way up until the resistance zone. And 30-minute time frame is in a bull territory, which I mentioned in the last week's video. The exact same scenario applies for 1 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame. The level for 2 hour time frame is different, which is one level above. As you can see, 618 golden zone, which is 1287. Once we broke, we came retested nearly dollar to dollar, week to week, and we went further up. If we look into a 4 hour time frame, in yesterday's video I mentioned that 4 hour time frame isn't fully ready. There is no issue at this moment, but when we look into a BTC, it is still in danger zone, which is concerning. And as we can see from the blue sky zone, that we couldn't manage to break and stay above or retested, and didn't give us a long signal. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th candle, which is last 20 hours or so, we're getting rejection right from here. And this is what I explained in yesterday's video, how one can take a long. Under the 30 and 1 hour time frame, once we broke, as I said since last week, 0.5 level, this 1240, Ethereum already provided, once we broke, 18% plus profit. This is a spot. If you're in a leverage, 5 times leverage, 90+%, 10 times leverage, already 180+% profit. Let's talk about the bull scenario. Nothing has changed. I clearly explained that in yesterday's video. If you missed it, I highly recommended it to you to watch it. When we talk about the bear scenario again, once we hold 382 level, now again we have a very crucial level, this 382 level, as well as 0.5, which is 1240 level, are important downside. These zones, same applied. Once we broke it, we hold it and we went all the way up. Now we are facing exactly the same scenario for the downside. If we cannot hold this time these two levels, highly likely we will go and visit 960, 1030 area, because the BTC, as I said, is not as stable and it's not ready yet to take a long. And as you can see, in the last 20 hours we are facing the rejection right from the resistance area. As a result, it's quite early yet to talk about the bear zone because we didn't lose none of these levels yet, but we will be following closely. After the daily candle close, fib levels may change as a result of this resistance, and I will update via Twitter if needed. Daily time frame. Under a daily time frame, this candle at this moment, it doesn't look good. However, we've got 7 hours 29 minutes to close, and after closing this candle, I would give it a few more days and we'll be following closely. If you like and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're not following me via Twitter, I highly recommend you to follow me at CryptoMagnate8, where I will post instant updates for BTC, Ethereum and rest of the altcoins. If you have reasonable questions regarding technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense under 10-hour mentorship is available. My DM is always open. Let's move on to the BTC. 30-minute time frame. Finally, we're in the bull zone after breaking 32,440 area. As you can see, once we broke this zone, as you can see, under a lower time frame, 30-minute time frame, we clear breakout, retested, little bit of consolidation, and we went little bit of consolidation again. We went all the way up to my target zone, which I mentioned over 48 hours ago. 1 hour time frame. As you can see, as soon as we broke clear breakout with this candle, breakout, retested this 0.382 fib level, which is 33,116, and it provided a nice bull signal. However, when we look into a 2 hour time frame, 2-hour time frame is still under the water. If we manage to break and stay above this 0.5 area, which is 34,500 zone, then we can think about a long. But for now it seems a bit problematic. I also updated and mentioned in the Twitter that first attempt we cannot break this 0.5 fib level. 4-hour time frame is still heavily under water. In the last few days also I've been following this trend line, and as you can see we have this exact level matched with a trend line. It will act as a resistance, as well as we've got a horizontal resistance, and that horizontal resistance matched with our golden zone 618, which is 35,800, and we've got around here, between here, a daily resistance as well. I'll be following. We will get a chance actually to go and test this area, I believe. However, I'm expecting some sort of rejections from there on. Also, I did update via Twitter that we will be holding 236 area, which is this 31,450, and we will be highly likely going and test this 0.5 zone. I updated that 48 hours ago, as I said, and exactly we hit the target. The first 4-hour candle got rejected right from here, and 35 minutes ago new 4-hour candle started. As you can see, we're just rejecting badly. And already if someone took it from 32,240 long with our first target price 0.5 level, nearly 7% profit provided. So you did the math, with the 10 times leverage already being 70% up. However, these levels are not something that I'm interested in. I will be patient and I will be looking at a clear entry levels to take a short or long. I also mentioned that in the same post 48 hours ago, it is early to talk about 618 fib level, which is this 35,800. At this moment there is a decent chance that we can go and test 618 level, but bear in your mind that this is the zone, as I said, we have a daily resistance around here, and from that I'm assuming that BTC will reject from these levels. Let's take a look into a bull scenario. If it managed to break and stay above 35,400, ideally 618 35,800, then we may consider to take a long. However, at this price action it seems a bit problematic to take a long. Bear scenario, since the last week, as you remember, that I was waiting the BTC come to test 34,000 and 35,000 range, and I said that we may have a decent short opportunity. Personally myself, I will be following that a lower time frames. Under a higher time frame, if we lose 382, which is 33,116, I doubt that this time we will be holding 236 area, which is 31,450 zone. And what will happen is we're going to get rejection. We'll be retesting these levels again, and we'll be going all the way up to 28,800 and 29,000 areas. Daily time frame, there is nothing to add, and daily time frame still weak. If we do not close above, again, as I said, 618 area, where I said we've got a daily resistance around here, then we will stay below and retest $28,000 and $29,000. We'll be following in the coming days closely, and I will update accordingly. If you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure press the bell to get an instant updates. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.